In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Payhip store. If you're looking to launch your own online store and start selling digital products or services, Payhip is a fantastic platform to help you get started quickly and easily. We'll be walking through the process step by step, so you can confidently set up your store and begin your e-commerce journey. First, navigate to the Payhip website and log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a quick process requiring just a few basic details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Payhip dashboard. This is your home base, where you can manage all aspects of your store, from products to transactions. Next, look for the Store option on the main dashboard menu and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can create and customize your store. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to build your store without needing any technical expertise. Now it's time to launch the Store Builder. You'll see an option that says Launch Your Store Builder. Click on it, and this will open up a new interface where you can start designing your store. The Store Builder is intuitive and provides various tools and templates to help you create a professional-looking storefront. You can customize the look and feel of your store to match your brand, adding logos, choosing colors, and setting up the layout of your products. Once you've customized your store to your liking, you can start adding products. Payhip supports a wide range of digital products, so whether you're selling ebooks, courses, or music, you'll find it easy to list your offerings. Simply input your product details, upload your files, and set your prices. Payhip also allows you to configure discount codes and promotional offers to attract more customers. After setting up your store and adding products, make sure to preview everything to ensure it looks just right. Payhip gives you the option to view your store as a customer would, so you can make any final adjustments before going live. And there you have it. Your Payhip store is ready to launch. You can now start sharing your store link with potential customers, promoting your products, and watching your sales grow. Remember, building a successful online store takes time and effort, so continue to optimize your offerings and marketing strategies as you learn more about your customers' needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore Payhip support resources. Happy selling and good luck with your new online store.